What's the hold up? We've been waiting for almost an hour now.
I know, I'm sorry. I just couldn't decide what to wear tonight.
You look fine in anything, Sophie. It's just dinner, not a fashion show.
I know, but I wanted to make a good impression.
Who are you trying to impress? It's just our friends.
I guess you're right, but it's always nice to feel confident.
True, but we're going to be late if we don't leave soon.
All right, I'm ready now. Do you have the address for the restaurant?
Yeah, it's saved on my phone. It's about a 20-minute drive from here.
Okay, perfect. Do you think we should call ahead and let them know we're running late?
Probably a good idea. I'll give them a quick call just to be safe.
Thanks. By the way, are you sure everyone else is already there?
Yeah, Tom texted me a while ago saying they're all waiting for us.
Oh no, I hope they're not too annoyed with us taking so long.
Don't worry, they'll be fine. I'll tell them we're on our way now.
All right, let's hurry. I hate being the last ones to arrive.
Me too, but they're probably just chatting and enjoying drinks.
I hope so. Let's just make sure we get there quickly.
Don't worry, I'll drive us there as fast as I can, safely of course.
Good. Let's go before they think we ditched them.
They wouldn't think that, but yeah, let's get moving.
You're such a busybody, always wanting to know everyone's business.
I'm not a busybody, I'm just curious about what's going on around me.
There's a difference between curiosity and constantly prying into other people's lives, you know.
Okay, maybe I ask too many questions sometimes, but it's only because I care about people.
Caring is one thing, Jake, but not everyone wants their personal life up for discussion.
I get that, but I don't mean to offend anyone. I just like being involved.
I know you mean well, but sometimes it's better to give people space and let them come to you if they want.
You're probably right. I just have this habit of wanting to help fix things, even when it's not my place.
Yeah, I've noticed, but you can't solve everyone's problems, no matter how hard you try.
I guess I never thought of it that way. I just don't like seeing my friends struggle.
And that's why we all appreciate you, but maybe try stepping back a little next time.
I'll definitely work on that. I don't want people to feel uncomfortable around me.
Good, you're a great friend, Jake, but even great friends need to respect boundaries.
Thanks, Megan. I'll try to be more mindful in the future.
It's all about balance. You can still care without being overly involved in everything.
That makes sense. I'll take a step back when needed, but I'll always be here if someone asks for help.
That's the perfect approach. You're still there for people, just not pushing too hard.
I just need to remind myself that it's okay not to know everything that's going on.
Exactly, and people will appreciate you even more when you give them the space they need.
I'll keep that in mind. Thanks for the advice, Megan.
Anytime, Jake. That's what friends are for.
I just realized I missed my mom's call again.
Oh no, are you going to call her back?
Yeah, I probably should, but I know she will tell me off for not picking up the phone.
She gets worried when you don't answer, doesn't she?
Exactly, she always thinks something's wrong if I don't pick up right away.
Have you tried explaining that you sometimes get busy?
I have, but I think she just worries too much about me.
Maybe you could send her a quick text to let her know you're okay first.
That's a good idea. If I tell her I'm fine, she might not be as upset.
Right, and then you can call her when you have a moment to chat.
Yeah, I'd feel less anxious about the call that way.
Exactly, just be honest with her about how things have been.
I guess she will understand better if I communicate more.
Definitely, moms just want to feel connected to their kids.
You're so right. I need to be more proactive about keeping in touch.
It happens to everyone, life gets busy. Just remember she cares a lot.
True. I'll text her now and then call later.
That sounds like a solid plan. She'll appreciate the effort.
Thanks for the advice. I feel better about it already.
No problem. Let me know how it goes when you call her.
I will, hopefully, she won't be too upset this time.
We have made up after that argument, right?
Yeah, we did. I'm really glad we talked things through.
Me too. I was worried things might stay awkward between us.
I felt the same way, but I think it's good that we were honest about how we felt.
Absolutely. I hate it when misunderstandings linger for too long.
Exactly, it's better to clear the air right away instead of letting things fester.
I agree. I just want us to be on the same page, you know?
Yeah, I get that. Communication is key, especially in friendships.
That's true. I think we both could work on expressing our feelings better.
Definitely, I tend to hold things in until I'm frustrated, which isn't helpful.
Same here. I need to be more open about what's bothering me before it builds up.
It's a learning process, but I think we're getting better at it.
I believe so too. Every time we resolve something, it makes our friendship stronger.
I couldn't agree more. It shows that we care enough to fix things when they go wrong.
Exactly. I'd rather have these tough conversations than lose a good friend.
Me too, it's not easy, but it's worth it in the end.
Yeah, and I appreciate that we can always come back together after a disagreement.
Same here. I know we can count on each other, no matter what.
That's what makes this friendship so important to me.
I feel the same way. Here's to better communication from now on.
Absolutely. Let's keep working on it together.
Please subscribe and see you soon.